The Port of Long Beach, in partnership with industry and regional leaders, unveiled a new fleet of zero-emission trucks that will be calling at the port's terminals in the next few years. And to power these new trucks, the partners revealed a model of the heavy-duty charging infrastructure that is in the works.
What we have behind us, not just in infrastructure, but in these trucks, is really the future.
These trucks are zero-emission trucks. They're battery electric. And that's just the beginning. There'll be thousands of electric trucks. And so getting ready to charge them is an important milestone on our path towards zero emissions.
4Gen Logistics, a family-owned port drayage company based in the Inland Empire, has placed an order for 61 electric heavy-duty trucks produced by Volvo and Kenworth. The company plans to convert its entire fleet of short-haul trucks to zero emissions by 2025, a full decade ahead of the 2035 goal set by the Clean Air Action Plan of the San Pedro Bay Port Complex.
Our truck drivers love the electric trucks. They have good power, good takeoff. They're just great in a port operation.
Well, we are here on Port of Long Beach land. To get this sort of work done, we need competent, thoughtful partners that are forward-thinking, and that's the Port of Long Beach.
Electrify America is building out that infrastructure by installing 60 public charging stations by the end of 2023 to serve the 4Gen Logistics fleet, as well as electric trucks from other companies.
We are the only seaport to offer public charging stations. And again, that's the shape of things to come here.
These are the ultra-fast 150 kilowatt and hyper-fast 350 kilowatt DC fast charging stations from Electrify America, which will take anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes for a full charge.
Phasing out older, more polluting trucks has been a key part of the Clean Air Action Plan. Already, diesel emissions from trucks have been cut by as much as 97% compared to 2005 levels. To learn more about the Port of Long Beach's environmental programs, visit polb.com/environment.